Many of us are distracted by the idea of money. We are all running after it day and night. This pursuit has made many people greedier, more wicked, meaner, more callous, and more selfish. The world system has prioritized the chase for money above everything else. I hope we haven't lost our conscience. I hope our brains are still functioning. Why should money dominate our lives? Why should a man-made object be more important than a God-given purpose? Many of us have abandoned our purpose to chase money instead. Money has become our number one priority, all because of the things we want to buy, the places we want to visit, and the luxurious life we desire to live. Nothing else. Frivolities upon frivolities, vanity upon vanity. What is the purpose of these things? What will they mean 100 years from now? Who will remember you for indulging in or acquiring those trivial things? What is the value of the money you hoard if it doesn't serve a societal purpose beyond fulfilling your selfish interests? Think about these questions and let them guide your thoughts and actions. You can't be here and make money your sole pursuit. Is that really what you were created for? Is that the only purpose of your existence? Don't misunderstand me. I'm not saying you shouldn't have money or be wealthy. But the alarming rate at which people are chasing after money and the lengths they'll go to get it, just because of the modern-day worship of the god of Mammon, is deeply concerning. You can have as much money as you want, provided you earn it legitimately. However, obsessively chasing money is not healthy, and it can jeopardize your future. I understand the pressure to earn money. There are bills to pay, responsibilities to manage, and endless financial demands. I get that. But the point is, there are many ways to earn money legitimately without becoming desperate. It's like needing air to breathe, water to drink, and food to eat. These are basic necessities. But problems arise when you become desperate to obtain them. That level of desperation indicates that something has spiraled out of control. And that's where I feel the world is today. There's too much abnormality in the world. You might think people are normal until you interact with them. That's when you realize they are no longer thinking rationally. Their sole focus is on chasing money and frivolities. Politicians loot public funds, amassing wealth they can't possibly spend in 100 years. For whom are they accumulating this money? Who do they think will inherit it after they die? Their children? Those children will likely curse them in their graves. They will see no value in stolen wealth and squander it all. Worse still, the bad reputation left behind will serve as a terrible legacy for the family. This is not a good path. Human beings need to wise up. We must awaken from our slumber and stop this foolishness. Purpose is the most important pursuit in life. It guarantees freedom, happiness, and fulfillment. So, that should be your main focus and the number one thing you strive to achieve in life. Cheers. If you find value in this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. P.S. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me if you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose. Drop me a message here or email me at sopiansofgod@gmail.com and we'll arrange a call. Read next. Are you clear about what you want this year? Will, you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com.getbooks on Amazon. Amazon Books. You want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony? I Say Music got you. Contact sopiansofgmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Making 2025 your best year yet. 2. Move Africa. 3. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works. L1. 4. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. 5. Africa's nuclear weapon. Kindly drop your comments here.